Hey everyone, this will be Introduction to Arduino. So Arduino Unos are programmable open source microcontroller boards and can be used in a variety of electronic projects. These are breadboards. So breadboards have holes in them which we connect the components into. There's power rail and ground rail. These go in rows. The circuit area, they go in columns. LEDs, so they've got the shorter end and the longer end. So the anode is the longer leg and is positive. The cathode is the shorter leg and is negative. These are resistors. So resistors, they control the flow of current to other components. So if too much current flows through an LED, the LED is destroyed. So a resistor is used to limit the current. We'll mainly be using Tinkercad, which is a software version of Arduino Uno, and I'll be using this for now since it's much clearer to see and understand. But I'll show you guys a quick demonstration of the hardware version. So once we download Arduino from the laptop or computer, we will have this, which shows the void setup and void loop. So void setup pretty much means the code only runs once, and then void loop means the code can run as many times as it wants, so like in a loop. So this is normally for the hard copied projects. So we can get the Arduino Uno, connect the USB into the laptop or the computer. And then in order to run the project, we just press this. And then it should run. Thank you for watching and see you next time.